If you're dealing with ED, performance anxiety, or finishing too fast, and your doctor says everything looks normal, this might be the real reason. Porn doesn't just affect your mindset, it can rewire your dopamine system so real life intimacy starts to feel stressful, flat, or not stimulating enough. In this video, I'm going to explain what porn is doing to your brain, why it can lead to ED and premature ejaculation, and the exact steps to reverse it without pills starting today. Hi, doctor. Big fan. Thank you. Thank you, Nathaniel. I need really best advice about this. How to overcome porn-induced ED, PED, right? And subsequent performance anxiety, avoidance of intimacy, lack of any response to real life stimuli, and probable PE or premature ejaculation for real. What you're describing, I would say, Nasmu, and what you're describing is very, very typical of men addicted to porn. Essentially, when you're watching porn, it gets processed. What you see gets processed to your brain. And then initially it's stimulating because it raises dopamine level. And dopamine is the feel me good hormone. Raises dopamine level in your brain. But as you watch more and more of it, your brain needs more dopamine release in order for it to get that feel me good feeling. But if it doesn't get that high release of dopamine, it make you anxious, it make you kind of apathetic, it make you kind of non-motivating, and what you said, lack of response. Okay, so your body said, oh, I like the dopamine, but I don't have the same amount of dopamine. I'm gonna be the opposite, because dopamine make you feel good, make you feel like on top of the world, confident. But then when you don't have it, it's the opposite. That's what porn does, is that in the beginning it releases that dopamine, but then after a while watching it, even after a week or a couple of weeks of watching it, your brain needs more dopamine input in order to make you feel good. So it's kind of like the analogy is that when you smoke a cigarette, in the beginning, 1 or 2 cigarettes, it feels good, but then you need more cigarettes to give you that feel good feeling. The same thing. The dopamine in your brain works the same way as cigarette smoking. So when you don't have enough dopamine in your brain, you become apathetic and you have anxiety, you have depression, and you have lack of real response to stimuli. And also, you're just not interested in intimacy because you're just apathetic. And that even if you do have intimacy, you actually have ED because you're not able to get that arousal response, because porn has kind of what called sensitized your brain, or porn has kind of messed up the hormone in your brain, that your brain needs more dopamine doses. It's kind of like you needing a pack of cigarettes, but you don't have that pack of cigarettes anymore to make you feel good. All right, so that's why you have lack of intimacy. And this is real. I see this all the time. And you probably have PE because of the chemical disturbances going on in your brain. So porn, it can really mess up your brain, your arousal system. Now, an erection starts in the brain, guys. It doesn't start down below the belt. It starts in your brain. And because it starts with arousal first. If it doesn't start in here, nothing's gonna go below the belt. Just know that, because if you're depressed, if you're apathetic, if you're anxious, if you're worried, if you're stressed, it's gonna be hard for you to get an erection. And you get aroused by the 5 senses that you have, which feed signal to your brain. What are the 5 senses? What you see, eyes, nose, what you smell, what you taste, what you hear, and what you touch. So these are the senses that feed into your brain that will bring that arousal up, the release of chemical that gets released out. But that's filtered through your emotions. So the stimuli goes in, but then it has to go to the filter of your emotion, and then the chemical gets released. So if your emotion is anxious, then it's gonna get filtered, not enough chemical is gonna be released in your brain, or hormones gonna be released in your brain to start a chain reaction. So that's why performance anxiety affects erection. Even though physically you don't have any erection problem. So I hope I explained that. And the key is stop porn. The key is really just stop it. And there are multiple resources for you to seek. And stop porn. Second, eating a Mediterranean diet, start exercising, start meditating. When I mean meditation, download an app called Calm onto your phone. It's free, minimal charge, and just reset your mind again. You can stop porn by finding a coach that will help you cope with not watching porn, or you could do it yourself and go cold turkey. All right, you just go cold turkey. Yeah, you will have withdrawal, but you can do it. It's like people stopping smoking, right? Sometimes people need hypnosis. Sometimes people need a pass. Sometimes some people just stop smoking. Period. So same thing with porn. You can do it yourself, which may be harder. You can get a coach that will help you with getting off of porn, but you got to make a decision to stop it yourself and stick with it. Because if you don't, if you keep doing what you're doing, all your problems going to be worse. So I hope that helped, because if you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to get more anxiety, and you're going to get lack of response to life and PE, and then you're going to get less of probably meaningful relationship, and you're definitely going to get more of ED. So think about that. I hope that was helpful. I'm only coming from a position of education. Of course, check with your doctor first and trying to get real with you guys. And sometimes it's not like a shiny object or magical supplement or magical pill that's going to fix all of this. It's really coming down to your willpower to do this. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So if any of this hit home, here's the bottom line. This gets worse the longer you keep feeding it, but it can absolutely improve when you cut the stimulus and rebuild your dopamine baseline. Pick one starting move today. Quit porn, clean up your diet, Mediterranean style, move your body, and add a simple daily reset like meditation or breath work. And if you need help, get a coach or accountability.